Hi friends, and welcome to Edupedia World Videos. This video is a continuation to the chapter 3 of the course Basics of Programming in C language, and here we are trying to set up our own programming environment on Windows. So we have downloaded the code blocks setup as it was instructed in the end of the previous video. So we had to download CodeBlocks 13.12 mingw setup.exe from their website. The link was specified in the last slide. So if you have downloaded the correct version, just double click it and it will ask for your permission to execute. Say yes. Now it would begin the installation of CodeBlocks platform. Just click next, I agree, and make sure that the MingW compiler suite is available and checked. So that means that the compiler has been, this setup includes the compiler also. Okay, that is very important. Now just click next and next, and it will start the installation. Let the installation finish. It will take a while to install this software. After the installation is complete, we can run the software and we will try and run our first program on the IDE. Okay, so the setup is almost complete now, and it will ask us to if we want to run code blocks now or not. Let's click yes, we want to run code blocks now. It will just take a while to run code blocks, and the window will just come up. Although the CodeBlocks setup will now run automatically, in case it does not, you can just anytime go to start and either click on CodeBlocks icon over here, or you can also go to the folder that says CodeBlocks and click on this icon CodeBlocks to start your CodeBlocks setup. It will take a while to run on your system for the first time because it is a little heavy, and it will configure itself. It will configure its programming environment. It will configure all the paths for you, and then it will come up. Okay, so here we can see the CodeBlocks has now loaded, and this is the first screen that you see once the CodeBlocks gets loaded. This on this pane you can see the projects which are currently loaded. So right now we don't have any projects. This is just a fresh installation. So to create a file on your computer, you have to click on create new project. This will create a new C project for you, and it will give you various options. Be sure that you select a console application because console application is the simplest C application, and this is what we will initially work on. So after clicking on console application, click on go. It will ask you a few options. So let us continue with this wizard and select C as the preferred language, not C++. Now project title, you can give it any title. Let us type my first C code. Now it will have these default paths to which it will save your files. Okay, click next. Make sure you select GNU GCC compiler. It is the only option available since we have installed CodeBlocks with GNU GCC MingW compiler. All these checkboxes remain as it is. Click finish, and your project will be opened. Okay, so this is your project, my first C code, and the source files are available over here. Right now the file only main.c has been created. Now main function is the initial entry point of any C program. Okay, so main function is the most important function of your C program, and it is mandatory to have a main function inside it. So it has been created by default, and the meaning of all these lines we will learn as we proceed forward with our course. For the time being, we can see that this program is doing nothing but printing a string hello world on the console. Okay, so when you compile and run this program, you will see this text on your screen. Now to compile, you have to go to the option build. Now build is another name for compilation only. From next time onwards, you can also press Ctrl and F9 to compile. That will be the shortcut. Okay, and you can also compile the current file only by pressing Ctrl Shift F9. So generally a C project has more than one file, so that is why the term build is used to compile all the files in it in a project. Once you click on compile, once you click on build, it will compile your code. Then you can click on run. Now it is executing. So after it executes, we will be able to see this string hello world over here. Yes, you can see the output of the command that we have just run on the screen, printf hello world, and here it is. Okay, so this is our first C language program. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos, and keep watching our series on the course Basics of Programming in C language. Have a nice day.